Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless Humans. In this video, we'll be going through how to create stickers on the iPhone. You can create a sticker from your photos using the Photos or Messages app. Your stickers can either be from simple photos or live ones. To get started, choose a photo you want to create a sticker from. Long press it to bring up the pop-up menu. Then go to Add Sticker. And the app adds the new sticker to your collection with a pop-up menu that has options for you to do the following. You can rearrange the stickers in your collection by simply dragging them around. You can also add effect from 5 options. Or you can delete the sticker. In this public beta, live photos are still very difficult to make stickers out of. We'll cover them when iOS 17 is less buggy. In Messages, you can create stickers while chatting in the app. Tap the plus icon, go to Stickers, then the plus icon under your custom stickers collection. Choose a photo from your photos library. Add sticker to add it to your sticker collection. And it has the same menu options to rearrange, add effect, or delete. To use your stickers, you can tap on it, add a comment or message, and then send it. You can also drag and drop the stickers to a specific message. To resize and rotate, use the pinching gesture before dropping your sticker onto your message. A single message can have multiple stickers. Emojis and memojis can also behave as stickers now in iOS 17. Some apps come with stickers that you can find on the sticker collection toolbar. You can edit these different sticker collections to rearrange them. Or to get more stickers from App Store. And that is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.